little pigeons in the rain. There they are, look, they're looking. How scruffy they are. Look, their feathers are all scruffy and wet. Oh, Joey. Oh, you poor little bird. How could you do this to yourself? You're going to be all scruffy. I'll tell you what, I'll give you some bread. Shall I give him some bread? Looks like they need it really bad. I feed them bread because they don't really care, but I don't feed them big bits, I feed them tiny bits. My tumble dryer, as you know, I've got a new case for my phone. It was only £2 from Poundland. Oh, Joey, come here, bruv. Oh, come here. There you are, mate. Quick, before it gets scruffy. Don't chase after her, she doesn't like it. She doesn't like it, she doesn't want to. Just get away from her. She doesn't like it, Joey. There, have a big bit. Because I'm holding the camera, I can't break it up into tiny little bits. Joey, you're going to choke, mate. Look at their necks. They're all going... Their necks are really high because they're like... Ooh. And they're all... Love is in the air, guys. Just like Valentine's Day. Right, I have a big piece. Sculpt that down. It's getting all soggy, so it goes down in their throat easily. Just checking my cameras are all nice and clean. Collecting rainwater, guys, to keep the earth good. Wasting too much water. Collect water for plants. It's always good. Oh, Scruffy. Oh, Scruffy. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, it's been a long time. Yes, I know. Oh, look. He's actually a baby adult because he's got baby feathers. He has, that's true. Oh, hey Scruffy. You can come close, it's okay, baby. Come on. Let me move his bread a bit. Oh God, it's soggy. Scruffy, come on, you used to go really close to me. I used to hand feed you, don't you remember? In 2018. Oh, Scruffy, he's getting all scruffy and wet. You poor little sausage. Hey, Joey. Look at their faces. Look, they're like, ooh. Little seagy pooch. Bye, pidgeys. That's going to do it for today, guys. So yeah, I don't always feed them. I post a lot of videos of them. But yeah, coin collection time. See me in part 2.